Hey guys, GroovinProps97 here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Jimmy brass eyeball doorbell. So this is supposedly, like, it's already kind of rare compared to the rest of them, like the, gray, white ones, are the more common ones. And I believe that the brass ones were all made in 2017. I think that was the only generation this was made. Let's see. Okay, I could unbox it this way. That would probably be easier. And so yeah, this is the brass version. It looks gold, but it's definitely brass. There already is a gold version that's like shaped differently and it has a gold eye and stuff, so you can tell that this if you were to classify which one's gold, which one's brass, this one's definitely has a brass coloring to it. So yeah, I've been working on making my collection better for eyeball doorbells, and yeah, that's why I got this, really, because I wanted to make this added to my collection, basically. So let's see if I can. It's like two boxes together. Let's see if I can get this. So yeah, I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 eyeball doorbells in my collection, and this is the 8th one. So let's just show it like this, I guess. Okay. Whoa, this is a 2019 model. It has the whatever on the top of it, the bat. I think I'm the first person to have the 2019 model. See, it says month 5, 2019. I was hoping I could see it like in the camera and read it, but yeah. So I hope it has batteries. Here's the eye. Okay, let's just go and demonstrate it. Looks pretty cool. So yeah, I ordered this off of grandinroad.com, by the way. His belt does seem to be slipping a lot after the motor moves at the very end. I don't know if that's just like a problem with a lot of the 2019 models, because I recently got the black one from Target this year, and it also makes a very like loud like slipping sound for the eye closing. And yeah, I mean, it's not that bad, but it's a little bit loud, kind of noticeable. It has like the brass paint on the side too, by the way. I don't know if there's anything else different from the 2017 model and the 2019 model. I don't know if they made a 2018 model. Maybe if you were to get this off of that website in 2018, maybe they would give you the newest model. So, like, I'm assuming that's how things work. And yeah, so, yeah. Thanks for watching.